Hello, so today we are gonna make sweet garlic soy chicken.
These are the things that you need. Chicken, of course. Flour.
Brown sugar.
Soy sauce. Cornstarch.
Black pepper and garlic.
The next step is
Put the chicken in the bowl. Add a half teaspoon salt and a half teaspoon black pepper. Mix and marinate the chicken for 10 minutes.
for frying the chicken. Put 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Pour 100 ml of water, but don't rush. Pour it slowly as you stir the mixture. Stir it until it's smooth.
After stirring, pour the mixture onto the chicken and
Gently place the chicken into the deep fryer and fry it until it's golden. And these are the ingredients for the sweet garlic soy sauce. As you can see,
mix the ingredients and stir it. After it's already mixed, put the chicken into the frying pan.
mix until cohesive. When it's done, place the chicken on a plate. And the sweet garlic soy chicken is ready to serve.
Yay! Yippee!